Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everyone. Preston Vogl here. Today is Wednesday, November 17th. It is just after 3 p.m. Eastern Time here. Markets are still winding down within the next hour or so. Our gold and oil markets are closed. Here at Target Trading Academy with your micros market recap. Let's get into it. Oil opening gap down from yesterday's range. That is way up there. It opened down here, immediately shot up as it opened on a level of support from these HVA edges that we give out the night before, and had a stellar day in between these edges. 1, 2, 3, 4 opportunities just within the first 30 minutes of the market opening. Several more, 5, 6, 7, 8 more so in oil as it wound down and made new lows in the contract as we are also rolling over. As you can see, we are in January's contract now, with December's ending this Friday. Now gold didn't really do too much. We were inside of yesterday's range the whole time. So not too much going on. The point of control was down in the area here, but still nonetheless, we still had several opportunities and available winners based off of our methodologies, if they were taken or not. Always up to the student and how we teach them. Now, equities are still going right now, but as you can see, they also opened inside yesterday's range. The ES here pretty much in the middle. If I scroll back, the middle of yesterday's range at this HVA level, coming down, finding support for a potential trade, and then finally breaking before rallying towards lunch, and then shortly after that coming back down. Not a ton of entries in the ES. However, there were some, for example, at those edges, but not as spectacular as oil's first 30 minutes were, that's for sure. Pretty sideways day, nonetheless, in the ES. More action in the micro NASDAQ. It did open towards the top end of yesterday's range. It did open in balance from yesterday. Oops, I think I went too far. Yep, there we go. That's the nighttime. And there's the open. So it did open inside yesterday's range, found resistance at that HVA edge that we have marked, and then came back down towards yesterday's point of control, went sideways for a bit before hitting that edge one more time sideways, and then punching through towards the top, towards the contract high, making a new all-time high, barely, and then plummeting back down towards its open, where it's currently sitting just below, or at, I should say. It's pretty much at its open for the day. So not a ton of swing in that action, but nonetheless, a ton of opportunities if they were taken. Let's get into some of those opportunities that were taken based off of our methodologies. Miro took an edge opportunity that we have off of our HVAs in the micro ES with the Oracle bot. He managed it up 1875 on sim. And then one of those oil trades in the micro oil by Doug, up 2840. Now those are just two that I wanted to show real quick, as I will be going over all the trades that came in today for Pat in the win-loss break-even video that will be posted later this afternoon. If you haven't seen those, come check them out and see how well our students perform using our methodologies, our levels that we give out the night before. If you're interested in finding out how we get these levels, what our methodologies are, come reach out to us. You can find our page on Facebook, or you can go to our website at targettradingacademy.com and get in touch with a representative there. We'll be glad to show you into our rooms and show you why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to seeing you in the room.